Join me as I try to save my hard-earned cash by avoiding the top 5 silly money mistakes people make. It's astonishing how easily our money can slip away if we're not careful with our spending habits. Being mindful of where our cash is going is crucial to holding on to it. Let's dive into these common pitfalls and learn how to avoid them. Impulse buying is a huge financial pitfall that many people fall into. We've all been there, walking into a store, seeing something we like, and buying it without thinking twice. This habit can lead to cluttered homes and empty wallets. To combat this, make a shopping list and stick to it. This simple strategy can help you avoid unnecessary purchases and keep your finances in check. Remember, it's all about making conscious decisions and resisting the urge to buy on a whim. Not having a budget is another common mistake that can lead to overspending. Without a clear plan, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. Tracking your income and expenses is essential. By creating a budget, you can allocate your money wisely and avoid financial stress. A friend of mine didn't budget properly and ended up with a huge credit card debt. This serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the importance of budgeting to maintain financial stability. Many of us also ignore hidden fees such as bank charges or interest rates on credit cards. These fees may seem small, but they can add up quickly, leading to unexpected expenses and reduced savings. To prevent this, carefully read the fine print before signing any contracts or agreements. By being aware of these hidden costs, you can make informed decisions and protect your finances. Don't let these sneaky fees catch you off guard and derail your financial plans. Failing to plan for emergencies is a big mistake, leaving us with no choice but to go into debt when unexpected expenses arise. It's crucial to set aside a portion of your income each month in a separate savings account for emergencies. This financial cushion can save you from financial ruin in the face of unexpected events. By being proactive and preparing for the unexpected, you can avoid the stress and financial strain that come with unplanned expenses. A particularly shocking example of a financial mistake is when people buy expensive items just to keep up with the latest trends. This can lead to a never-ending cycle of spending and debt. It's essential to be aware of our spending habits and make conscious decisions about where we want to allocate our money. Remember, trends come and go, but financial stability is timeless. In conclusion, being mindful of our spending habits is crucial to holding on to our hard-earned cash. By avoiding impulse buying, making a budget, paying attention to hidden fees, and planning for emergencies, we can save ourselves from financial stress and build a more secure future. If you've made any of these mistakes or have tips on how to avoid them, please share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my next video for more tips on managing your finances and saving money. Financial fears can be overwhelming, but what if you could turn those fears into opportunities for growth and profit? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. From the fear of job loss to market volatility, financial insecurity can be a heavy burden. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can transform panic into opportunity and achieve financial success. Fear of job loss is a major concern for many during financial crises. Market volatility can be unpredictable and scary, making it difficult to know what to do with your money. People often worry about not being able to pay their bills or support their families. The fear of making poor investment decisions can be paralyzing, causing people to freeze and do nothing, which can be just as harmful as making a bad investment. The fear of not having enough money for the future is a common concern, making it difficult for people to enjoy the present moment. Fear of economic downturns can be particularly daunting, as it can seem like the entire system is working against you. However, by focusing on opportunities for growth and development, you can begin to see challenges as stepping stones rather than obstacles. A growth mindset is essential for turning financial fears into profit. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to transform panic into opportunity. By learning new skills and expanding your knowledge, you can increase your earning potential and become more resilient in the face of financial challenges. Staying informed but not obsessed with financial news can help you make informed decisions without getting caught up in fear and anxiety. Remember, knowledge is power. Having a diversified portfolio can help to mitigate risk and increase potential returns. Taking calculated risks can be a powerful way to turn panic into opportunity. By weighing the potential risks and rewards, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Building an emergency fund can provide a sense of security and peace of mind, allowing you to take on more risk and pursue new opportunities. There's a powerful story of a woman who turned her financial fears into a profitable venture. She lost her job during a recession and decided to start her own business. Using her skills and experience, she created a successful company, becoming a leader in her industry. She learned to be adaptable and resilient, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. Her story is a testament to the power of turning financial fears into profit. Her success was not overnight. It was the result of hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. She faced many challenges along the way, but she persevered and stayed focused on her goals. In the end, her determination paid off, and she achieved financial freedom. Her story is an inspiration to anyone facing financial fears. By investing in yourself, staying informed, and taking calculated risks, you can turn panic into profit and achieve your financial goals. If you've faced financial fears and have a story to share, please comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and how you overcame them.